we're going into some fun caramel highlights. A lot of times when it comes to the bowl and pulling out the foils, I like to add a little bit more lightener, let it sit a few more minutes through the ends, just to work it through and make sure that it's nice and even from the root to ends. We do have a remaining color, red, red, orange. Red, red, orange is around the 7 to 8 levels. You go through levels of color, 1 through 10. It's blue, blue, violet, 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 red, red, level 5 in color. Red, orange is 6, orange is 7, orange, yellow, pale yellow is a 10. So this is the lightening process that when you are using bleach, you get to see the result right in front of your eyes. When you're doing color, hair is lifting and depositing at the same time. Lightener, you get to see the level of lift that it's at. So her remaining color that's left in the hair was a level 7 to 8. So you want to, when you've lightened to that level that's as high as we're going to get it today, you want to tone with that level. You don't want to go lighter, and yes, you can go a little darker, like 1 to 2 levels if you'd like, but in her case, she wants to be as light as possible, so we got her up to as high as an 8 level. So we're going to tone her with an 8 level Shades EQ gloss. In all situations when applying color, Shades EQ gloss, or even Pulp Riot, you want to always start at the roots first and touch up in a technical, methodical way. In this case, I'm starting in the front, going down the center. It's a blank canvas. You can do what's called root tapping or shadow root, where you can have more depth in on the roots and have it be lighter, brighter towards the end. So I mixed 2 separate bottles of Shades EQ, one for the roots and another one for the ends. And or you can use one color all over. It depends on if you want that effect of having more depth in on the roots and then lighter, brighter towards the end, or more of an even color from root to ends. To me, the gloss is the fun part because you can change the tone of the hair entirely. You can take the warmth that's in the hair and counteract it out and create more of a cooler, richer end result, or you can do a brighter, more warmer end result by whatever base you pick. But the level is the level that you need to choose because the remaining color on the hair is a 7-8 remaining color. So you need to pick a 7-8 to gloss the hair with as far as the level. But the tone you can play with. So if your client has a warm skin tone, then you have a tendency to keep the hair on the warmer side. If they have a cooler skin tone, it's going to benefit you to complement their skin tones by using a cooler one. What we chose, she's got a warm skin tone, so we picked a warmer caramel color. So there's the levels from dark to light, there's tone, and tones warm to cool. Now here you have it. It's real hair behind the chair. This is the type of hair that we actually do in the salon behind the chair on a daily basis. So we're showing you how it is that we built our success, and these are the actual techniques that we use day in and day out.